Long before soft drinks existed, our ancestors had a secret fermented millet drink that kept them strong, cool, and healthy. Here is a natural probiotic drink that not only cools your body but also helps in digestion and weight loss. So forget fancy probiotic drinks, switch to our traditional millet Ambaĺi ultimate gut friendly drink. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sathvik Lifestyle. In this video, we shall discuss how to prepare millet Ambaĺi, how to consume it, who can consume, when to consume, and the benefits of consuming millet Ambaĺi in detail. Let us start with the recipe. To prepare ganji or Ambaĺi, first I am roasting the millet. Roasting is not a must, but roasting enhances the flavor and taste of the ganji or Ambaĺi. Here I have taken 2 teaspoons of kodo millet. You can use any one of the 5 great millets, that is little millet, kodo millet, brown top millet, foxtail millet or barnyard millet. We have to roast it on low flame till you get nice aroma or for 5 minutes. While preparing millet recipes, one should remember that we have to use single millet at a time depending upon our health condition. Never mix 2 millets or never mix millet with rice or any other grains. Now nice aroma is coming and it's time to switch off the flame and allow it to cool. After cooling, transfer it to a bowl and rinse it once with the clear water. Now soak it in water for 6 to 8 hours. After 8 hours of soaking, take 2 cups of water in a clay pot and bring it to boil. For fermentation, well-aerated area is required. Cooking with clay pot that has pores helps for fermentation. You can cook millet in any other vessel like stainless steel vessel. When the water starts boiling, add soaked millet along with the water. This water contains micronutrients, so don't discard that water. Add millet along with the water and allow it to cook. We have to stir it in between to prevent sticking. Usually it takes 5 to 10 minutes for cooking depending upon the quantity of water and the amount of millet we have added. Gas should be on low, medium or in simmer. It is cooking slowly. Stir in between. Now millet has cooked. Let us check. Just mash between the fingers. Cook perfectly. Switch off the flame and allow it to cool. To prepare ganji or Ambaĺi, we have to use clay pot. If you have cooked it in any other vessel, transfer it to clay pot. After complete cooling, cover the mouth of the pot with a clean cotton cloth. This helps for the better aeration and helps the fermentation fast. Tie the cloth like this and keep it for fermentation for 4 to 12 hours, depending upon the temperature or climate of your area. I have kept it for overnight. Now Ambaĺi is ready. Let us open and check the Ambaĺi. Well fermented Ambaĺi is ready. While preparing Ambaĺi or fermented gruel, do not add salt while cooking. Saline may hamper the growth of the bacteria. Do not add buttermilk, curd or milk before fermentation, as lactobacilli alone will dominate and not allow any other good bacteria to grow. Do not heat the ganji or Ambaĺi after fermentation, as it will kill the probiotic bacteria. You can make it warm by adding warm water or double boiling method. This is bland Ambaĺi. For this, now I am adding 1 cup of fresh buttermilk. pink Himalayan salt as per taste. Now it is ready to serve. You can drink it like this only, or you can increase the taste by adding crushed cumin powder, grated ginger, grated carrot, and finely chopped coriander leaves. And you can also add finely chopped onion as you wish. Now super healthy millet ambali is ready to serve. If you are having any serious health issue, consume it for 6 to 9 weeks, which will help to recover soon. For healthy person, consuming it for 2 to 3 weeks helps to boost immunity and helps to get abundant vitamin B12 and establish essential microbial balance in your gut. Best time to consume ambali is early morning, empty stomach, which is easy for digestion and keeps you energetic full day. You can consume half an hour before breakfast, or if you are on weight loss journey, you can skip the breakfast and you can have this only. Ambali can be given to children above 1 year of age, adults, elderly, diabetics, people with anemia, fitness enthusiasts, and those who are having digestive issues, and those who wants to boost their immunity, and those who want to establish essential microbial balance in their gut. Benefits of drinking millet ambali. It is rich in probiotics which improves gut health, digestion and immunity. It's an excellent coolant for the body, keeps the body cool especially in summer. Improves bone strength, high in calcium, magnesium and iron, great for growing kids and elderly. Diabetic friendly, low glycemic index helps to control blood sugar levels. Useful in weight management, keeps you full for long, reducing unhealthy cravings. It's an excellent energy booster, provides steady energy without spikes, great for workers, students and athletes. With the detoxifying effect, helps to flush out toxins and supports a healthy metabolism. Easy to digest. Fermentation breaks down anti-nutrients, making minerals more absorbable. Friends, do try this healthy recipe and include it in your diet. Let me know how it has turned out. Eat healthy, live healthy.